Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we see how to make animal bunny stamp for the kids. Yeah, you might need to sign up, or log in if you have an account and sign up if you don't have one. So that should be it. Alright guys, so you're gonna have this interface. So you're gonna click on create here. You can create and you pick 3D design and you just wait a little bit. We get there, no worries guys. We get there. Okay guys, so we have that. And this is how it's going to work. Okay, what we try to do, let me click on top here. What we try to do, we try to make a bunny shape, or you can make an egg, but a bunny shape is funnier. So you click here, you have all the basic shapes here, you click here on scribble and you click on the board and it will bring you here. And you do a bunny shape, so I do it like this. It doesn't look like too much of a bunny. It looks more like a fox or something like that. Alright guys, but you forgive me guys. So we're gonna have a bunny, a fat bunny. Legs of the bunny gonna be like this. We're gonna do the tail of the bunny. This is our bunny. Alright guys, so that's the hand of our bunny. We click on done where we're done. Alright, so now we're back at our first board. Scroll down, click on top. Let me zoom out. And this is what bunny looks like. So it's like how much? What's the length of it? 37 by what? Let me see. 37 by 5. Okay, guys. So what we can try to do, we can try to reduce that shape, something like that. So we can try to put it on like it's in millimeters, guys. I forgot to mention that it's in millimeters. Put it on alright, put it on something like that. 18 on 15, something like that. Okay, this is what it looks like. So what we can do, we can try to let me put it in front, move it aside, move it like this. And we can try to reduce it. This 10 millimeters. Let's reduce it at like 2 millimeters. So we have something like that, or even a bit higher. I explain why. 3-4 millimeters. Okay. So let's change the view. So what's the size of it? So, okay, 15 millimeters and 19 millimeters. Okay, now we have the shape for the stamp. We want something to hold it. So we can take something like a box, or we can get something round, like a cylinder or something. Let's try the cylinder. So we can put the cylinder at the top of it like this, so we don't really see it. We say we put it at like 3 millimeters, guys. Okay, it was at 3 millimeters. It seems that it's not going, it's not fully in. So see what we can do. We can change the radius of that thing. All right, let me 22 millimeters. So let's change it. So what we do, we put it just like this. Voila. Okay, it looks good. All right, what's the height of that thing? 20 millimeters, about less than an inch. So let's try to put it like 50 millimeters, about 2 inches, something like that. So what we do now, guys, we want to select all of that and we make it only one. Yeah, there we go. So you want to see what it looks like. Let me click on the top here. Okay, top. Let me change the view. Alright. Let me zoom in. It's a bit too much. And what we can do, we can put it on the side. There we go. So that's the stamp here. The stamp is just right here, and we have the holder here. That's a cylinder. It's about 52 millimeters. The whole height. So that's something good. Alright guys. Now that you have it, you might want to print it. If you have a 3D printer at home, you know, you click on here, export. And here you see we have different extensions for the files. So you can click on STL. This is the one mostly used with 3D printers. You click on STL and it will do the job for you guys. You know, and put it in your download file. Or if you don't have a printer at home, click on 3D print here, and we have a lot of suppliers here that can they have printers. We can print them there for you, and you know, clean it and send it for you. We can mail it to you. So of course you need to pay a fee, but that's a good way to get started if you don't have a printer. Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed the project, so you can take a look at it. Take a look at what it looks like here, so I can see what it looks like. I can change the shape of it. So this is what it looks like from the top. There you go. So you have a nice bunny, so you can get some hints, you know, from Amazon or somewhere, you know, and the kids can play with that. So you don't need to buy one. You just do it yourself, DIY. So that's something we can do at home, you know, so the kids can be proud of it, you know, and have some confidence on what we can accomplish. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the case, give it a like, leave some comments guys, and let me know how you found the video, you know, if you have any suggestion, you know, what's something you like. Don't forget to share the video, that helps a lot. Please share it, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial. Bye.